Welcome to the AI Influencer Crash Course. This is actually just going to be a really fun micro-based training for you to quickly develop AI influencers. Now, for this specific case study, I'm going to show you what a specific AI influencer style that is currently going hyper viral on most TikTok channels. There are so many use cases you can use for AI influencers, and I'm just going to give you the basics on how to quickly get going and which tools to use, and then it will be up to you to go and take those tools to the next level. But be careful, because this is hyper realistic, and if you go a little bit dodgy, you could get in trouble. So I take no responsibility for your actions with this tool. Okay, so let's have a look at some of the channels that are going hyper viral right now. So this channel called Nexary AI App, they've obviously got a wrapper to do this method, but they've only got 2,000 followers, and look at the sort of views they are stacking up: 211,000, 2.1 million, 76,000, right? And 15,000. They are going viral, and look how many videos that they've actually posted, and none of the previous videos that they posted did well, but this specific format where they open it up, boom, and then just change character at the click of a finger, and look, people are going wild for this. Okay, let's just have a look at this one. So many people are just going absolutely crazy after them to do themselves in this video. Okay, I'm going to show you how to do this, right? And it's not going to be using this app, it's going to be using a different one, which I'll leave the links below for you. Or like this channel here, where they've got like 1.2 million followers, and they literally just like share a picture of themselves and turn into this person for you. Okay, now just so you know, even this video here is not a real person. This is an AI influencer as well. This is crazy times that we're living in, and it's stupidly easy to actually get these results now. So once again, this is what you are going to be creating in this training. Okay, we're going to be using a tool called Zork AI, and I'm going to leave the link below for you. Do use the link because it will give you some free credits as well. This isn't the cheapest method to use, but this is one of the cheaper tools to use. Okay, so the link below will give you some extra credits. If you don't care about the extra credits, don't worry about using it. If you do, then grab the extra credits. It saves you money. So what this is it's an AI generation tool for images and videos. But the reason we're going to be using this is because it lets us control the backgrounds of our content, which a lot of other AI generators don't do, or they kind of mess up. So this is why we're using this tool specifically. We're going to create a quick video of ourselves, and don't worry, if you don't want to be using yourself in the actual video, you won't need to do that at all. But it is completely up to you if you want to record from your phone. If you have a software on your computer that you want to record from, it is completely up to you how you want to record. Now in this video, again, this is just for fun. You can do it in different formats or however you want to do it, but this is the video that I recorded of myself just from my computer webcam. Okay, so it's completely up to you how you want to record. You can either record from your phone in vertical format, you can record from your computer. It really doesn't matter. Just find a way to record yourself. Now for this, I'm just doing a fun little video. So the way I vision these videos to go is like those TikTok videos I showed you, where I simply record myself and then I do a click of the fingers, and that's when the transition happens into the new character. So this is exactly what I've done, and here is the footage of me doing that. Okay, incredibly cringeworthy me doing that, but super simple. And again, this is just for fun. If you want something more serious, then you just have to be a bit more creative, but it really doesn't matter. This is just how I'm doing it for this video. Okay, so once we're inside Zork, what you're going to want to do is hover over videos, then go to motion control, and this is what you're going to see. We're not going to be playing around with loads of different settings or anything of the sort. What we're going to do is we're going to upload the video that we just created. Okay, so that video has now been uploaded, and then under the character image, you're going to want to find a character or someone that you want to replace you in the video with. Ideally, you're going to want something quite clear cut. I'm going to be using KSI, so I'll save the image, and then inside character image, we'll just click on this and then drop him in just like that. We can then scroll down again, just leave the prompt as it is, and you'll want to turn scene control on. on. Okay, that needs to be on, very important. And then for the orientation, this can be in the same dimensions as the image or the same dimensions as the video. Okay, completely up to you. I'm just going to do from video and then I'll do generate. Okay, so once that's finished rendering, this is what you'll have. Okay, how cool is that? And then you can go ahead and click download. Now you're going to want to use an editing software, and it really doesn't matter. You can use Descript, CapCut, Filmora. For this video, I'm going to be using Filmora, but in terms of editing, we are talking about the most simple editing you can ever do online, okay? Really nothing complicated about this. This is the fundamentals and the absolute basics. A 12-year-old will be able to do this, okay? There's no reason for you not to. So just go and find a software or an editor, a free one online. It really doesn't matter to do this editing. Okay, so I'm going to be using Filmora. I want to choose 9:16, which is the vertical format, and then we're going to do short video project. Okay, so now inside the editing software, you're going to want the footage of you or your AI influencer, and then also the AI influencer that the software just created. Okay, so we're going to just drag in the footage of you just to begin. And I'm just going to quickly move my mouse over the footage just to edit it properly. Okay, so I'm just going to delete this bit just to remove anything that I don't want in it. Okay, and then I want to remove the end bit because that's where it's going to transition. And then with the actual size of the footage, I'm just going to zoom it in a little bit just like this. Okay, and then I'm going to drag this right here. That click is a transition click. Okay, so where it starts clicking, that is where I'm going to make the switch. Right, so let's just have a look. Okay, so we need to just bring this in down a bit. So around about here, we're going to cut the footage. Let's see what this looks like. And then when you finish, you'll just go ahead and do export, and then it will export. And if we just minimize and have a look, and just like that, we have our footage. That is how easy it is to create an AI influencer and ride this massive viral wave right now.